Have you ever wondered what cougars do when no one's watching? These majestic creatures are more than just fierce hunters. Watch as this cougar leaps gracefully, showcasing its incredible agility. Did you know they can jump up to 18 feet high? Here, a cougar silently stalks its prey, a master of stealth. But they're not just solitary hunters. They also play and nurture their young. This rare footage captures a tender moment between a mother and her cubs. Cougars are truly fascinating animals, full of surprises. Stay tuned for more amazing wildlife moments.